You already know what it's here for. Look, about to hit you with another one, you heard me? Look, we got a meet for the night, and guess who we got? Modern Mopars. A few of us about to line up and go make it do what it do. Modern Mopars about to have their very first hosted meet for the night, you know. Check this out. I'm gonna keep y'all tuned. I'm gonna bring y'all with you. Look, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Look at this. Look at my dog right here. This is my dog right there. Shout yourself out. Shout yourself out right there, boy.
You can follow me at Treyway. You know, hey, that's why I be here.
And look, let me show you what he do.
He ain't, but you know.
Yeah, that's what he drive right there. Then look, we got Dreadhead right here. Dreadhead in the building. You did. Look, you know, he stay with it. You heard me? He stay with it. You did. Yeah, he got that deep. What you call it? What that is right there?
300.
Got that Demon 300 right there. You heard? But a few of us lined up. About to go make it do what it do. You know, go meet the rest of them, and then we gonna have us a good ass time, man. You know, we gonna keep y'all posted. Let y'all know what's happening. Oh, look who we got right here. Look at this clown right here. Look at this clown right here. Look, I ain't got nothing better to do. Right there. Don't want to do nothing but eat. That's all. But look. Look, we about to let everybody go get it in. So, look, I'm going to take y'all with me. We're going to take y'all on this motherfucking journey. Let's go.
No part, no part.
Tell them again.
No part and no part.
Yeah, you know. So we had to come in and get a little bite to eat before we go to the show. You heard me? Look at them. Hungry motherfuckers, you did. We ready to eat. What y'all got on discount for us? Hey, look, we trying to get all discounts. What y'all got? All discounts. All discounts. All discounts. What's happening?
Hey, go ahead and girl, she wants something.
Oh my, he trying to trick already. Look who I run into. What? Smile World. Just finished watching the show, her motorcycle not too long ago. She pops up in here. Look at her. Look at her. Go on, shout yourself out right. You know who you are. Shout yourself out right fast. Stop playing games. Stop playing games. Go and tell the world who you are. Tell them who I ran into. Tell them who I ran into. Yeah, you already know I'm talking about TikTok. Let's get it. Lined up, looking good like we look. It's a Mopar thing. It's a Mopar. Look at this clown here.
Tell him I'm different. Look.
Oh,
that been hit already.
Look, that boy that got that 14. That boy that got that 14.
That been hit.
Few of them pulling on in. It's still early, you know, right here. Shout out to CSC Customs for allowing us to do this here, man. Y'all come shop with them boys, man. Oh, there he go with that food. Oh, there they go. They pulling in. About to make. Oh, and we got the food trucks on deck over there. You want something to eat? We got you covered. Let's get it. Boy, that bad boy, that's nice. That bad boy, that's nice, boy.
Let me introduce you to my crew, man.
Come on, let's see the crew.
Yeah,
come on, Ty G, let's see the crew. Let's see the crew right there. If y'all, you know, for those who know, that's Young Bleed's son right there, you heard me? Ty G Ramon, you heard me? Let's see the crew, what we got.
Y'all come in real quick.
Let me get a shot of y'all stains right fast, man. Get a shot of y'all stains right fast. Yeah.
He in that thing too, you heard?
Huh, bro? Get a shot of y'all right fast. Huh?
We still gotta run it, Trevor.
Oh yeah, well, you coming to the track tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
You coming to the track tomorrow?
I'll pull up.
All right, let's run tomorrow. Let's run tomorrow. Right here, look. We're going to get it in tomorrow at the track, you heard me? So y'all going to see that footage for the next video. 5.0 going against the motherfucking Bearded Hemi and the Scat over there, you dead? I'm going to let y'all know what's happening, you heard me? You already know. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. I'm going to leave your ass sitting right there, too. I'm going to leave you sitting right there. Yeah. Yeah, y'all see them boys coming on in, doing their thing. Yeah, you see them. Everybody coming out to support. Boy, that done brought that slow ass car out here. That's Greg Key Custom right there. My dog right there, Ryan. You see it? What the business is, baby?
Yeah,
what the business is all day, all day. Yeah, they coming on in, filling it on in. You know, CSC Customs. Y'all see them in the back. Boys about to be lit. We got the food truck out here in the building doing what they doing. Cars instead of pulling up, man. Y'all better get out here, you heard me? CSC Custom parking lot. Let's get it.
What it do?
What it do, pimp? What it do? What's happening, baby? Go, man, you know where you belong at. Go on park and handle your business, boy. How y'all doing? Coolin'. Man, bet y'all ain't seen one of these in a while. I bet you. Bet on black, you heard me? You already know what it's in from.
Nobody.
Oh, exactly.
Now I know you gonna stop fucking playing though.
Oh, that girl that pulled up. Then pulled up right there. Got the lights going on. Ain't nobody trying to get your funky ass, man. Get in the car. Pressure. All done by a girl. Gotta respect it. Oh, yeah. Clean. That bitch wet, boy. That bitch wet. Instead of road, that boy got them swingers on that thing. Texas style, you heard me? Texas style. You see him. Boss lady in the building, Chucky. Work done by one and only city's customs. You know. Pressure always. Oh, Hellcat in the building. Yeah. What it do, babe? I see you. What it do, peeps? What the business is? I can't. Oh, you came out of that slow ass fucking car. I'm gonna go get that stock 392. Give me a 15-second lead. You heard me? Just 15 seconds. Rolling on in, boy. Yeah. Front to you. A few of us was a little worried about this being our first car meet that we hosting. Wasn't really sure how it's gonna turn out. But look at the love and support. Even got the food truck out here, you heard me? And look, they instead of coming in, Mopars, Bearded Hemi. Let's get it. What's happening, boy? What the business is? The business is, yeah! All day. Y'all see it? Yeah. A piece that came through in this month. Yeah. All day. Alright, it's gonna come back up. Man, look who we done ran into. You see what it say right there.
Down here in goddamn Louisiana looking for anybody on some rims.
Tell them what you come to do though, man. What you come to do tomorrow?
I want to race this thing right here tomorrow.
Ooh, wait a minute. That's what he want tomorrow. He say he want that tomorrow.
Best of the orange.
The best of the orange. He want that tomorrow. That's what it's hitting for. Man, but we glad you came out. We already know you're gonna come through and do what you do. You know, I know you're gonna leave them behind. You know, it's your boy Bearded Hemi, and you already know what. You see what it say? Team Solid killing this bitch, and we out. Yeah, y'all already see what the back of the shirt say right there. You see it right there. When you see that G, you already know what it's hitting for. Yeah, and you see
I'm taking them down tomorrow.
He taking them down. It's going down. You already know what it's hitting for, boy. Yeah. G, you gonna let him take you down or what, bro? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Huh?
See what he gonna do?
Gonna see what he gonna do?
Yeah.
You know. Some people say I always bet on black, man.
Well, hell, I got a black shirt tomorrow.
Boy, they out here, boy. They out here. I'm gonna show y'all. Look. They all on the grass out here, you heard me? Look back there. Deep. It's a party going on over here. You know. It's where it's hitting at right here, you heard me? Better believe that there. Going dumb. Look at my motherfucking dog in the building. The business here, dog. You see what? Shut yourself out. Shut yourself out.
YBC.SS, go follow me right now.
You already know what it's here for right now. Go follow my people, you heard me? Yeah. Shut yourself out, big dog.
T Williams Transport, you know who I'm at.
You already know what it's hitting for, boy. Boy, we out here, but have a good ass time. The pre-meet for tomorrow night.
And the camera crew on their way.
On the way right now. Camera crew is in the building. Like 5 minutes away, they're gonna be right here in the building. Look at that there. Look at that there. All day, boy. Mighty Mopars and did they shit. Everybody came out to support the people. You heard me for our first little meet. You know. See, Freddy Krueger that came in the building. This might be y'all last time seeing Freddy. This might be y'all last time seeing Freddy, boy. You already know what it's hitting for. That boy, stay remix it up. If y'all be wanting to know who the boy be doing these cars like this here right here, you heard me? Yeah, this here right here, you know, right there. That's who it is, him right there. When you come to show up, you heard me? You know you're doing something, you heard me? Yeah, you are. Tell them who you is, man. Shout yourself out, man. Shout yourself out.
Y'all know who it is.
Hey, bro, yeah, back in the building, boy. Thank you, girl. And what? My motherfucking dog just showed up. I told y'all CC was gonna be in the building. You already know what it's headed for. Out here jugging in these motherfucking streets, you dig? And where you gonna be at tomorrow, see?
I'm getting the track tomorrow. I'm fucking up the audio. And I'm fucking up goddamn solution.
Bro, he coming forward. Greg, you heard it? You heard it out of his mouth. Yeah, you know. Come on, Greg. The dog say he gonna hit it for me right there. Y'all see Cole Youngin? Yeah, y'all see him? I think my dog scared of it a little bit though, you heard me? Dog on there, look at my dog on there. Y'all see my dog that came through? Y'all see my dog that came through in there? Hit that bitch when you get out there. Hit that bitch. Smash out. Let me hit the pipes. Y'all see my dog Cam in the motherfucking building? Y'all see him? Yeah, hit that bitch, Mark. Hit that bitch. Yeah. traffic leaving. They leaving on out now. About to go to location number 2. You know we about to get it in tonight. You already know your boy Bearded Hemi. Boy CC showed up. Street Demon showed up. Street King showed up. The Cross the River boys showed up, you know. G'd Up Mafia showed up. Boy, everybody was out here tonight, boy. I'm missing somebody. Come on with it. Yeah, we out here. That was a good turnout. Look, check out the good. Best part about it all, no drama. Ain't nobody getting into it with nobody. Wasn't no fighting. Beautiful. Boy, they're all out the roof. They're all out the roof up in here, boy. Yeah. All out the roof on them. Made it to the second spot. But they're gonna get it in, do a little something. You know, they out here. They out here doing what they do. They out here. Look, open your chest up, boy. Open your chest up. You see what it's hitting from mine and Mopars, baby. Man? Yeah, you see it. Yeah. That ride at the state fair. Oh, that's a girl up in there. That's a girl up in there. Shit. And you see what that back in that tag state? Mine and Mopar. Whoa! Don't put it up. It's over. Must shoot sparks. It's over. That boy turned that mug into a straight wild brush, boy. That's a grill. That's a Grillo pan right there. You heard me? Shit, I go clean the grill with that bitch.
Y'all see it though. You know,
yeah,
you heard of him.
By the Mopar. You did. Yeah. Y'all ready to see what it's heading for? Got the Cross the River boys out there, you heard? You already know. Stick alley boys and everything. Yeah, you know. Yeah. That bitch that pressure though, boy. Tonight was a success for my Mopars and your boy Bearded Hemi, you know. No drama, no bullshit. Had the nice little car meet. Then end up having the little slide ordeal. So I'm about to take it on in. Until tomorrow for the racetrack, I'm out.